Instagram Reels just released a new feature that you gotta start using now. It will make your content creation much easier. I'm gonna show you exactly where to find it and how to do it coming up next. Hey, what's up guys? We are going to dive into this new feature. If you haven't already, click like on this video, share it with someone else who can use this information. Subscribe to the channel. There is a ton of information on here that will help you on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. All right, let's go ahead and dive into it. So I'm going to do a screen recording of Instagram, and I'm going to show you where to find this feature that's going to make it a lot easier for you to do your recording on your mobile device. We'll open up Instagram. We'll get ready to start a reel, and if you notice right away, you can see on the bottom the hand gesture on your right side right there. Now normally it's not there, it's a drop down arrow. You have to push for it to be revealed, but we're just gonna go ahead and click that. I'm gonna show you how it works and how it can save you some time. Click that, it pops up the hand gesture. Raise your hand to start and stop recording. So we'll go like this, countdown. Hey, what's going on guys? In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you some tips and tricks on how to do certain things on Instagram that will save you some time and make it easier for you to record your reels. That way you're not, having to do a lot of editing, all right? It stops it, and I know what you're thinking. What about the playback? So let's go ahead and play back and check it out. Hey, what's going on guys? In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you some tips and tricks on how to do certain things on Instagram that will save you some time and make it easier for you to record your reels. That way you're not, having to do a lot of editing, all right? Hey, what's going on? Now you'll see I paused after I spoke. We'll go ahead and save that into drafts. I paused after I spoke. That way, you didn't see my hand coming up at the last minute, because you can do that and you really don't want that. So after you're done talking, you want to pause, then do the hand. That way it goes back and cuts out about 2 seconds. Otherwise, it's going to look like this. Hey, what's going on guys? How you doing? In today's video, I'm going to show you something that you really got to do. Now, if you notice, I raised my hand right away as soon as I was done talking. So now you're gonna see the hand almost kind of like getting ready to go up there. Hey, what's going on guys? How you doing? In today's video, gonna show you something that you really gotta do. Hey, what's going on? So you probably didn't see it right there. So it's actually a really good feature. But in a previous video I did, I spoke and I didn't really finish my video and pause. And when you play that video back, toward the end of the video, you see my hand going like this. It didn't really go like that, but it went like this and the video stopped. So it kind of almost caught me about to stop the video. Some people do not care about starting the video and finishing and stopping the video. I see Marcus Rogers, as well as a lot of other YouTubers and, people that turn their videos into podcasts or live streams do that. They don't care. So maybe you're one of those ones who do not care, but it can be difficult. I'm in my car a lot, right? I do videos in my car a lot, and I will set the camera on the car window mount, and I'm positioning myself, and then I have to lean forward, hit record, or start the timer, either a 3-second countdown or a 10-second countdown, and then I have to get in position again and start talking. And one of the other things, how this can help, is sometimes I don't want to record a full 60-second video. Sometimes I don't want to record a full 90-second video, and this is on Instagram Reels, where it lets you do 90 seconds. And maybe, Facebook, a full 60 seconds. And sometimes if I'm done or I'm out of what I wanted to talk about, I can just pause and throw my hand up. So trust me, it will come in handy. Otherwise, what you'll do is you'll go and you'll stop it, and then you'll have to go in there, and then you'll have to cut it out and trim it and edit it. Yeah, hey, so that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know in the comments Are you going to use this feature? I really didn't care at first. And then I said, you know what? Let me try this out. And the one time I saw my hand going up there, I said, oh, dang it, it still caught that. But then I realized all you need to do is just pause for a few seconds right after you're done talking and then throw your hand up. Easy, simple, and plain. I love it. And I've been doing it for about the past 4 videos that I've been in my car. All right, so hey, I will see you guys on the next video, and also comment and let me know what other type of videos you would like to see, whether it be Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube. All right, until next time.